Well, gang, we're in week 7, and this week is different. Only one assignment due on Sunday, the rough draft. There are no forum postings this week at all. You're welcome. I want you to spend your time working on your research paper that's coming up next week. This week, you've already come up with your topic. You've had comments from your classmates and from me about your thesis and what you intend to do with it, how you intend to support it. Last week, you came up with a bibliography, a works cited page of sources. You know you've got sources. You know exactly how you're going to use them. And this is the week then you're starting writing in earnest. Now, it's a rough draft. It's not your final paper. That will come next week at the end of week 8. But this week, it's good to get as close as possible to the final draft because I'll be reading it. I will be grading it based on the organization that you're putting into it. I won't be grading it as a finished paper, but I will be grading it according to the effort that you've put into it. Please feel free to ask me questions along the way. In your paper itself, say, I don't like this introduction, or I haven't finished the conclusion, or I've completely missed this point, but I'm going to add this quotation in here. Ask me questions. We're in a discussion on this. Realize the finished paper itself is going to be 5 to 7 pages. That's pretty substantial. But your topics need that much time. So here I've got resources. I've got a video, how to write a research paper, and I've given you an example. Don't use this as a model. This is one way to do a research paper. It's not a perfect paper. I will do another video for you walking you through it and show the things I like and the things that, they could be a little bit better. But just to give you an idea of what we're kind of looking for. You'll all see up here, we are getting to the point where you're going to have to decide if you want to change your grade in any LCC class from a grade to a pass, no pass. Also, if you want to withdraw with a W, that will come next week, at the end of next week, at the end of week 8. But our counseling center is holding workshops for you if you're worried about your grades. Okay, let me know if I can help.